argued over the kitchen counter, or bumped into your partner doing laundry again, or felt like your house is working against your relationship instead of for it? The truth is, it's not just you. Sometimes it's the floor plan. At AV Architects and Builders, we always say, your home is not just a backdrop to your relationship, it's an active participant. Hi, I'm Sofia Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and today I want to share something that we have learned from decades of designing homes and working with clients who are couples. Smart architecture can be the best kind of marriage counselor, because when your space supports your lifestyle and your relationship, you argue less, connect more, and actually enjoy being under one roof. Let's break it down. Number 1, most fights start with the floor plan. It's not just about laundry and clutter, it's about how your home handles your routines. 2 people, 1 vanity. One person's meditating, the other's blending a smoothie. Someone works from home while the other takes client calls 5 feet away. All of that creates friction, but none of it has to. The right layout removes daily triggers before they become relationship stress. Here's a pro tip. Design should separate conflict zones from connection zones. Number 2, real-life solutions for real-life couples. Here's how smart design can fix common battles. Bathroom wars, dual vanities, better lighting, and privacy doors. Closet clutter, walk-in closets with separate zones. Kitchen chaos, islands for prep, zones for cleanup, and room to move. Noise levels, acoustic design, and flexible rooms for quiet versus activity. Laundry traffic jams, put laundry rooms near bedrooms, not in the basement. Work from home conflicts, dual offices, or 1 office, 2 stations. These aren't just luxuries, they are sanity savers. Number 3, you're not just building a house, you're building a home. Designing a home as a couple is a huge opportunity, not just to make choices about tile and layout, but to create shared vision, respect, and space for individuality. That's why our process always involves both partners. When couples plan together, they fight less later, because the space reflects both of you and how you want to live together. Number 4, your home can absorb stress or amplify it. Design is never neutral. A cramped kitchen fuels frustration. A peaceful bedroom invites connection. A well-zoned home makes daily life feel easier. A well-designed home should avoid friction and replace it with flow, clarity, and calm. Number 5, small spaces, big love. Not everyone needs a huge house, but everyone deserves one that works for them. Even in smaller footprints, it is crucial to design for efficiency, comfort, and harmony. Thoughtful storage, natural light, and defined zones for rest, work, and play. Because when your space feels generous, your patience usually does too. Your home should bring out the best in your relationship, not test it. At AV Architects and Builders, we believe that luxury isn't just in the finishes. It's in the way that your space supports how you live and how you love. If you're ready to design a home that nurtures your relationship, not just your lifestyle, let's talk. Schedule your discovery call today and help us help you build a home that feels as good as it looks. And while you're here, explore our Learning Center for more tips on how intentional design can lead to a better life together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!